Hello friends! So I'm going to show you how to use the Priceline website to find a hotel. So I'm going to do an example because you are not going to need a hotel in Westlake Village, California. Westlake Village. Okay, so I'm going to find a hotel in Westlake Village and I'm going to do this for my first night. So my first night is August 1st. So I click on check-in. I'm going to check in August 1st and I'm going to check out August 2nd. And I only need one room for our family. And I'm going to click find my hotel. From here you have some choice. And again, you're not staying in Westlake Village your first night. You're staying in the city of your choice, okay, wherever you're choosing to go. So here, okay, Hyatt Regency in Westlake, that looks pretty nice. I might choose that. Depending on my budget of what I want of activities, I may scroll through and find something maybe nearby or something that's cheap, but it needs to be relatively close to your city. So I'm going to select the Hyatt Regency, so I'm going to click choose. And at the top here, you're going to copy this link. So you're going to copy the link that you have on the top of your website, and that is what you will post here in your link to pricing box. So here in my link to pricing, I'm going to post that link, and you can shorten the link by going and clicking the link button here, and you can say Hyatt Regency. Oops. Put them on that. Hyatt Regency, and then here I can paste my link, and that will make my page look nice and neat, but that's up to you. So here I'm going to read, and I'm going to see, ooh, it looks very nice, kids stay free, that's pretty great, and some amenities is there's a swimming pool and free internet access. So on my project page, I'm going to click right pool, free internet, and maybe they have a gym. Price for one night. What was the price for the night? So the price for the night is $307. So I'm going to write that in here. So $307. And the hotel name was the Hyatt Regency Westlake Village. And then I'm going to find a photo of the hotel that I think makes it look appealing to stay. Maybe for me, I really wanted a pool, so I'm going to click the one with the pool. That's a pretty cool picture. You can pick any one that you want that makes it look most appealing. So it looks like they have a free breakfast place. That's pretty cool. I want to find that one of the pool because that's that would be my #1 choice. So to do that, I'm going to copy this image, and then on my project page, I'm going to paste that image in this space. And I may have to resize it. To resize it, just drag the bottom corner, and you want it to fit in this box here so that it's not going to be too small. Also, make sure that it's of the hotel that you're staying at. Don't just Google it. It needs to be from the Priceline page. Okay. So again, so here I write the city of my city. So my city is Westlake Village, California. And again, you're not staying in Westlake Village your first night. The hotel name is the Hyatt Regency Westlake Village. The price per night, the first night is going to be August 1st. We're pretending like we're taking our trip in August. So the next night will be August 2nd, August 3rd, and so on. Included amenities, there's a pool, gym, internet, and here's my link to pricing. Okay, and then I'm done. That's all you need to do for this. But you must use the Priceline website only. Okay?